Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a lecture on machine learning introduction. In this we will learn about what is machine learning. First we come to what is machine learning. As we can see in the diagram, machine learning, it is a branch of AI, that is artificial intelligence, and deep learning and neural network comes under the machine learning. So what does machine learning do? Machine learning, it is a branch of computer science which mainly focuses on the use of data and the algorithms, and it tries to imitate the human brain so that the machine can perform or work or imitate the human brain and gradually improve its accuracy. So the term machine learning was first used by the Arthur Samuel in 1959. Machine learning enables a machine so that it can automatically learn from data, improve performances, and learning from experiences, and after that it will predict the things, and all these things were done without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning uses various types of algorithm for building mathematical model, and after that it make predictions using the historical data or the information which is provided to it during the training phase. Currently it is being used for various tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition, email filtering, recommender system, and many more. So these were the applications in which the machine learning is used nowadays, and many more applications are there. Let's see an example. Training of students during the exam. So while preparing for this exams, the student try to learn with complete understanding. Means they feed all the data in their brain. We can say the brain here works as a machine with the question and answers that they learn from different books or the notes which are provided to them. But what they are actually doing, they are actually training their brain with the input as well as the output. That is, if this type of question is come, what approach they can use, and if they try to solve the question with different kinds of questions they solve, and each time after that preparation they each time solve practice test paper, and after that they find the performance or the accuracy of the score by comparing the answer key given. In the same way the machine learning models are built. They train the machine with the data, means both input and outputs are given to the model, and when the time comes test on data with input only, they try to achieve the model score by comparing it the answers, means by comparing the output with the actual output which has not been fed while training. So in this way they will gradually the performance keep on increasing, and it gains more confidence with the adopted approach. So what does exactly learning means for a computer? So if we take a look at the technical definition, a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. Means here the experience E and the task is taken as T, and after that we will measure that performance by P if its performance at task is T is measured by P, so that improves the with experiences. Example, playing checkers. In this, what is E? The experience of playing many games of checkers. So by playing many games you will gain experience. T, the task of playing the checkers, and P is the probability that the program will win the next game. Now we come to how does machine learning work. A machine learning system learns from historical data, the data which we provide to it, and builds the prediction models based on it, and whenever it receives a new data, so it tries to predict the output, and the accuracy of the predicted output depends upon the amount of data, as the huge amount of data helps to build a better model which predicts the output more accurately. Means the huge amount of data, if we feed into the computer, it will learn, and after that we build a model for that which will predict the output more accurately. As we can see in the diagram, input pass data, we provide the training and machine learning algorithm learns from the data. After that, it builds the logical models, and when we feed the new data, it gives the output which depends on the learning which have learned from the past experiences. So in this way the machine learning model works. Thank you.